Happy Monday, what's up everyone? Back at it again with another video. This is a huge week for me in my business. One, my mentorship program launches this week. Well, that's pretty much the big reason, and I'm very excited. So by the time you see this, the mentorship program will be launched and it'll be out there. So I did my photo shoot a few weeks ago, which y'all saw. And then I recorded the content for the reel on last night, so Sunday. So I'm posting that on YouTube as well, which is really cool. So I'm excited about that. Also, Friday I was gonna record, but it just got super busy. My marketing manager was over here and we decided to book calls. So essentially I was calling, me and him are both calling clients that didn't have life insurance with me and setting up appointments. So today I have 5 life insurance appointments and I have a few throughout the week, and my biggest goal like for this month or March, which is in 2 days, is to focus on life insurance and just making sure everyone's protected, because I do feel like it is my duty to do that. So what's going on this morning so far is my web designer is talking to me about a few things about the website, some updates we've made about the mentorship program, and overall just changing the look a little bit, just doing a little bit of a rebrand. Also trying to do some service work as well, because my first life insurance meeting is at 11 a.m. and then after that, next one's at 1. Trying to get as much service work done as possible. Look at my tasks. I have like 30 tasks today, so I'm gonna try to hit some service work now, and then I will follow up with you all. All right, so when I was setting appointments on Friday, of course, everybody didn't answer. I will say I had a good amount of people answer, but everybody did not answer the phone. One lady did text me today and said, hey, call me before 9:45. So I'm gonna call her and see if I can schedule the life insurance meeting.
Good morning.
Hey, it's Kenny. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, doing well. Wanted to reach out, not going to take too much of your time, but we were doing account reviews and I see that we don't have listed who your life insurance is with. We love to have that information listed just in case, God forbid, something happens. We can point your family in the right direction.
You said life insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
I actually currently don't have life insurance.
All right, well, I'm glad that I called. I would love to chat with you about life insurance. There's no pressure to buy, but just to educate you and give you your options, because I do think it is important for everyone to know their options for life insurance.
No, I completely understand. Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay, what day is a good time, either this week or next week, to chat? It won't be long, I promise you. I'm not gonna talk your head off. It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna run through a few things just so you have some options.
I mean, I work Monday through Friday, 9:45 to 6:30, so anytime before that, really. I mean, or I doubt you're there after 6:30. But
yeah, I could definitely.
Before 9:45.
Yeah, I could definitely do a time after if that works for you.
That's fine. Yeah, anytime after 6:30. I mean, I work from home, so I'm usually at home anyway, so I clock out and walk right out the room.
I got you. You want to shoot for Thursday at 6:30? Does that work for you?
Yeah, that's fine. No, I may not necessarily get off at 6:30, depending on how busy they are. If I'm on a clock, so I would say 7 would probably work.
7. Gotcha. Okay, cool. So we'll do 7, and I'll send you a reminder the day before or the day of. Just texting you and say if anything changes, just let me know, and then we can, change that appointment for you.
All right, that's fine.
All right. Well, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll talk to you on Thursday.
I hope you do as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
All right, so y'all saw live and direct. I usually never do things like that on camera. I'm like, you know what? Let me show my little something. Everybody that I've called, I've scheduled. She's gonna do Thursday, and I'm gonna do her via phone call. Sometimes I'll do it on Zoom, but you could tell she was kind of hesitant about like, I don't know if I want it or not. So I'm gonna just do a phone call, make it super simple, super easy, just so she knows that life insurance isn't expensive or as expensive as she thinks it is, because I think it's so important for everyone to have life insurance. Even if it's like get a free quote and then it says like name, phone number, and email, all that, you know what I mean? Something where they can type in right there, that's cool as well. Just got off the phone with my web designer, so I'm sending him an email regarding everything we went over to have it changed. And one of my clients, she had a loss. She has an event center, she had a loss. And I got cancellation paper, so I'm like, did she cancel? I don't even want to deal with that right now. So I'm just gonna do this and then call one of my carriers, because I think I have a question regarding my appointment with them. And then my first meeting isn't until 1. I thought it was 11, but that meeting is tomorrow. I need to run to the bank to deposit a check that I received from one of my life insurance carriers. They give us pretty much bonuses and they mail them out in paper checks. So I need to deposit that check today as well. So I'm going into my first life insurance meeting of the day. She actually has her homeowner's insurance with me and she's closing on the 1st of March. So I need to confirm that she's closing on the 1st and then also the life insurance as well. So I don't think she has any life insurance. I'm going to talk to her about that. And I need to set up my stuff now so I won't be scrambling when she gets on. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. It's so rare that I get to actually see my clients. So how you doing today?
Pretty good. Thanks for asking.
Of course. How's your Monday been? I mean, it's Monday, you know.
Yeah, I like Mondays. Mondays and Fridays are the only days I get to work from home.
Okay.
So pretty.
Yeah. So what do you do for work? I got you, and I'll shoot you a message with that. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out to me, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
All right, y'all. Meeting number 1 done. I gotta do the notes, paperwork, email her the quotes, and it's 1:20 now. My next meeting is at 2:15, so I'm going to try to knock all this stuff out before my next meeting, which I should be able to. I'll probably put on some music and rock it out. So one of these life insurance agents referred me to deals for a candle shop. The rate jumped through the roof. And so now I have to reshop it around. I have a call right now for another life insurance meeting for one of my clients. She has I think a hair salon, and she doesn't have any life insurance. So I'm going to talk to her. She has term life insurance, but going to talk to her about whole life insurance.
Hello?
Hey, this is Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today?
Oh, yes, Kenny. We were supposed to reconnect about life insurance tomorrow. I'm really going to be flexible tomorrow, I promise.
Oh, you good. What time? Can we do 3 p.m. tomorrow? Or really 2:30 tomorrow?
2:30 fine.
Okay. All right, well, I will call you tomorrow. We can get everything squared away.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one. Peace.
Bye.
Bye. I knew I should have sent reminder text messages out. I knew I should have. It's okay though. So my next meeting isn't until 7, so now I can get all this stuff done. So my second life insurance meeting had to reschedule. He had like an emergency and had to meet his mom somewhere, so we're rescheduling that. I'm emailing my agents now. We're having a training on Wednesday, which is our first official or first training led by me. We had a training last week, and so we're having one this week as well. Super excited. Just got off the phone with one of my agents. She's trying to close this deal. And I'm proud. I'm very happy to be able to help them and guide them. So it's, what do I always say? Good things happening, always. I'm on live right now. For $100,000, it's looking at $115.45 a month. Just closed a deal from a networking event that I had. And he just referred someone else to me that was at the networking event. So I'm calling her now to close the deal. Fingers crossed. And I have somewhere to be, but I'm trying to get it done beforehand. It's Kenny from Remedy Insurance. I met you at the networking event. How you doing? I was able to get him a really good rate, so hopefully I'll be able to do the same for you as well. So I'll text you that information. If you get it to me today, I can work on getting something back to you as well. Oh, that's fine, no rush. Happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Today is the training for my new agents. Starts in 4 minutes. I have 3 agents joining the call today. I just got a hold of the last one. And let's see, make sure my camera is right and tight. And yeah. Wait. So I'm going to get the presentation up and have everything on and popping for the training. Because it's cheaper, but the agent didn't really tell them it's going to expire. So now 20, 30 years later when it expires, they have no life insurance. And now they really are paying an arm and a leg because nobody truly educated them on the importance of, whole life insurance. Meeting went well with my new agents. It was 3 on there. I'm working on the details. Oh. I hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you for your support. And I'm making a post now for my mentorship program. I'm dropping a reel first, and then I'm going to drop the picture, and then I have to drop a YouTube video as well about it. It's all the same video. The training went well. I have to send a few things off to them, but I have to go to the bank and handle a few things, and then I'm going to work on that. I have my assistant working on the artwork for my story, and then I need a thumbnail as well. Things to do, and then I have to get to work. I haven't really worked much today, so I need to actually close some deals. So I'm gonna work on that stuff as well, and then hopefully I can edit my last YouTube video today as well. Coming back from lunch, I have 10,000 emails, 10,000 missed calls or messages from my assistant. I have to leave here in like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna try to knock out as much stuff as possible. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible as well, but no promises. So gotta get back to work. I think I'm gonna sit you all right here because it's a lot easier to press record if you all are right here. Perfect. So the first thing I'm working on is a client that I reached out to multiple times, or prospects, and she needed auto insurance. And I haven't heard from her in a while, so I was just doing my protocol. She finally reached out today and said, excuse me, can we text? And I can send you the information, and I'm like, of course. So she sent me all the information and said, love to get a quote ASAP. So I was at lunch and she reached out again and said, hey, do you have that quote? So I'm working on that now to send that back. Hopefully I can beat the rate. And then another lady from the networking event I went to actually reached out, and I did her quote and I was able to beat her rate as well. And she was in a meeting when I called earlier. So I'm gonna give her a call back to see if I'm able to go ahead and close that deal today as well. Pulling back a lead or a referral from,
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm pulling it up right now. My apologies, I was in a meeting. How's your day going so far? Quote that I have for you with both cars, full coverage. And of course that includes like the liability, medical payments, deductibles being $500. You also have rental car coverage. So if you were to get in an accident and your car was in the shop due to a claim, you would be able to get a rental car for up to 30 days at no cost to you, as well as towing and labor. So they would pay out up to $100 for that. So for both cars having that coverage, it's about $125 a month.
Oh, that's good, because I'm paying, what, $180 something?
Yeah, I think $185 when I did the calculations.
Whoa. Okay, so for both cars, it's $125 per month.
Mm-hmm. So
it's pretty much the same coverage I already have now?
Correct, same coverage. Let me just look over it really quick again, because I was kind of using your policy to like compare apples to apples. So I put a little bit more than what you have on your policy because some things are needed that you didn't have. So I just added a few things up there. All right, so she's gonna call her insurance company. She said tomorrow, and I appreciate the honesty. She's I'm gonna call them tomorrow to see if I can cancel it or what I always tell them call and see. I don't wanna give you any wrong information. So she's gonna call them and see what it looks like if she cancels, like effective this week. And so we can go ahead and get her on the book. So fingers crossed about that. One of my clients has a workers' comp, like a huge workers' comp policy. So I had to update something on it. So I went ahead and sent that to him because I had to, go through the rate bureau and all that good stuff. And so I'm gonna call him to let him know that I updated and sent him that, because he did ask, hey, can we change the address on the workers' comp policy? It took like 3 or 4 days. So sometimes with service requests, it does take a little time, and I'm always upfront and transparent with my clients about that. Like, hey, it could take a day or two, could take a week, but like usually I'll call first and then let them know, so there's no surprises and they're not waiting. Of course, if they need something. Hey, it's Kenny from Remedy Insurance. How you doing today?
Hey, I'm good, man. How you doing?
I'm doing well. So I just emailed you the updated workers' comp policy with that new address. It just took a little time for it to process, but everything's official, so it's in your email. And if you need anything else from me, please let me know.
I sure will, man. I appreciate the time.
Yes, sir. You have a good one.
Thanks.
Hey, bye. Just got off the phone with a guy that canceled with me over a year ago, and he said, I'm so glad you called. I've been meaning to get a hold of you. I actually need that policy back like now. So I'm gonna reach out to my underwriting team on tomorrow morning, because I'm going to the coffee shop tomorrow because my referral partner's having an event. So I'm gonna be in Uptown Charlotte tomorrow working. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but I have to go in the next 40 minutes. And I need to make some calls as well. So I'm trying to knock out as much as possible. I'll probably be working some tonight as well, just to kind of knock everything out, because I have 13 overdue tasks, but a lot of this I can handle without calling clients. So I'm gonna kind of take a hard stop right here. And I need to email my agents as well, some information regarding what we went over today. It was a really, really, really good meeting. I really wish I would have recorded the meeting in its entirety, because it was a great meeting, a lot of information. And then another agent that's starting, she wasn't on the call because she just got her contracting, started. So I'm gonna call her to see if we can do a separate training as well. So yeah, this probably will be the last clip for today, but tomorrow back at it again. Early in the morning, getting up, headed to Uptown around 7 a.m. and then gonna be there. Her event's at 12, but I need time to get everything done, make sure I'm alert, have my suit on, so I can, potentially get some more clients, some more referral partners. And of course, I would be remiss if I did not bring you along. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I'm in the coffee shop today. I have an event to go to with the mortgage lender partner. So I decided to just come to Uptown Charlotte a little early today at my favorite coffee shop. I don't think it's too loud in here, but I don't know if you all can hear me or not, so hopefully you can. I'm gonna work on a few things, send a few things to my agents. I'm working on a deal with one of them, and just knocking out some service work for right now. Let's get to work. Leaving the coffee shop, it's about 11:30 a.m. now. The event is at 1, so I'm going to get food. I closed a few deals, sent some quotes out, did some service work, talked to one of my agents, and yeah, it's a good day. I'm very hungry. Didn't eat breakfast this morning because I woke up late and I had to be out of the house by 7 o'clock. And I'm not a morning person. No matter how much I say I am, I'm not. So I got up at the last minute, got dressed, got ready. So now I'm gonna try to find some food. I hit up a few of my friends that work in Charlotte or work from home, but all of them are super swamped with work today. So I'm gonna do a little solo lunch, maybe just get something in the drive-thru and then go to the meeting.
What's up with you?
What's up?
Okay, talk to him.
So we are early to the event. Well, I'm early to the event. Coffee with the closing boss. This is the closing boss, the best lender on this side of Mississippi. And then we got the legend. I don't know if you can see her. A great realtor icon right there. Event went great. Got some networking done. Possible venue for an event I want to have. Let's zoom this bad boy out. So now I'm going to go to my friend's house, get some work done. I have a few meetings that I have to do, and then I have like one meeting I think this evening. So I'm gonna try to knock all that out. I haven't eaten today. I had some coffee. I'm not super hungry, but so I'm not gonna really eat right now. And I'm gonna just wait till like 5 or 6 and go out and get some food and drinks. To work we go. Good morning, good afternoon actually. Happy Friday. I do have some work to do this weekend to get caught up. What I have planned today, what I've done, I started using my calendar, like my Google Calendar, like religiously. Game changer. I had a life insurance meeting at 11. Presenting some quotes to him. It's a guy that I met actually out one weekend at a club, and I was marketing there, like, you know, talking about my business and talking about him, what he had going on. And he was like, yo, I actually need insurance. So I did his auto and now his life insurance. And next Friday, we're going to go ahead and bind the policy. He was happy with the quotes. He said, listen, can we wait till next week? And then I'll get it done, of course. Also, I'm shopping the rate around for a few clients. I have a meeting with my accountant in T-minus 5 minutes. And then I have to call a client to follow up on a payment that we had some billing issues. Then I have another call with another client at 1:30. And then my next meeting after that is 3:30. One of my new agents, she didn't make the first meeting because she wasn't on the team yet. So I'm training her from 3:30 to 4:30. And then after that, I'm gonna hang it up and chill out for the weekend. So I'm excited. I have some cool things planned. Next week, my schedule is getting kind of full too. I wanted today to be more so like calling people and booking appointments, but of course, that's not gonna happen today. I also had a really cool interaction with the lender. She's in North Carolina and a few other states, and she stated that she didn't have any insurance professional to work with. So we are talking Monday morning at 10 a.m. Oh, also just got a referral. This is the voice message my lender partner that had the event sent me.
Hey Kitty, I just sent you someone.
Of course, the phone is ringing. This is the day of life of insurance. Hey, what's up, Elias?
Hey boss, Tyson is looking for a home insurance quote.
All right, can you please send him the information? Let him know I'm in a meeting. Get his phone number and let him know that I'll call back when I get out. But are you able to just text him or email him the information?
Yes, of course, I'll do that.
All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, bye. All right, so that was a referral, and this is the referral of what she sent me.
Hey Kitty, I just sent you someone. We're closing on his house next Friday, and he was working with Farmers Insurance. But see if you can get him a better quote. I think the premium was like $80 a month or something like that.
So I'm gonna work on that as well today. Good things happening always. The Zoom call, hope it doesn't take too long. I actually need to log into my other system. It's for meeting with my accountant. To me, it's fun, but it's like it's just taxes and finance and all that good stuff is never really like, oh my God, I'm having so much fun, you know? So, all right, how can I help you today? I saw it was regarding a referral.
Yes, I was trying to get insurance.
Okay, yeah.
Through State Farm, and this referred me to you.
Yeah, of course. And what type of insurance are you looking for?
Auto.
Perfect. I fought for that. So I beat the quote by like $300 a year. She's calling Geico back to check. But I was like, listen, like you come with me. Like I'm an advocate for you. I'm gonna educate you. I'm gonna do what's best for you, like your pockets and your coverage. I'm not gonna hit you over the head, like really giving her the spiel. And she was like, yeah, I'm most likely gonna go with you, but let me call back Geico to check. Now I may call you back. And I said, no, I'll do you one even better. I have a meeting at 1:30, which I need to go to now. I have a meeting at 1:30, and then I'll call you back to let you know, like, hey, do you wanna go with it? Just so it doesn't give her a reason not to call back, but I can reach out to her. And I really hope this is a good deal. This is a really good deal. So if I can get this. Did you close today?
I did.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Of course. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
That was my client. She just closed on her house, did the insurance, and then my lender partner did the mortgage. I asked her for a picture from closing. And she said, yeah, of course, I'm gonna post it on my Instagram story, tag the lender and thank her for the business. I love doing that and just showcasing like my clients. I love my clients, they're great personality. So I'm excited that she closed on her house. She's young I believe she's younger than me.
All right, I'll do that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
What's up? What's the verdict? I was literally just about to call you. I just hopped off my meeting.
I'm gonna go ahead and go with you guys.
Alrighty, let's go ahead and start everything.
Then I called back home and they gave me like a different number. I say every time I call y'all and speak to somebody, I get a different number.
Close the deal. The $11,000 deal I'm working on. I have to call him back to give him the information that I just got from the underwriter so we can try to go ahead and bind this bad boy. That would be a lot of premium for the day. Like, I've written a lot of deals and it's only the third.
Hey, what's up, Ken?
Hey, so I just heard back from the underwriter. So they said, so this is the finance agreement, and I'll kind of run through it with you real quick. So the monthly payments would be $868.86.
Okay.
But the down payment, it would be $3,790.73.
Yeah, that's cool. Just send me the information and everything I need, regarding that, making that down payment, man, and I'll get the ball rolling on making that.
Thank you, bye. Let's go! So he was happy with the quote. The down payment was a little, it was three racks. But he said, where did I get this referral from? He said he wants to go with it. So let me know when I hear back from, my heart's beating so fast. I don't know what that's about. I'm excited, I'm really excited. I have training with my agent, one of my new agents at 3:30, it's 3:07. I'm very hungry, I haven't eaten, but I'm gonna give her my all because that's what she deserves. That's what she deserves. Found on Facebook. I need to make a post about this. Found on Facebook. And y'all tell me social media don't work? I received a quote or a referral from a realtor that I've been wanting to work with. He didn't really say anything, just a name and phone number. So I'm gonna call her, try to get the information before this meeting because top priority to my referral partners, top priority. Time conflict for the meeting today. I scheduled one time, had another time actually scheduled. So we're gonna reschedule the meeting for Monday, but that gives me time to clean up, have some friends come over tonight. It's 3:34 now, coming to a hard stop. I'm working tomorrow and I will take you all along for that. I have not eaten as well, so I'm gonna try to clean up, shower, everything. And so when I get back, everybody will be here. And yeah, I can just relax a little bit. If you made it this far in the video, tell me like, what is your favorite part of the day in the life videos? Or like what keeps you all coming back? Cause I see that the day in the life videos are my highest viewed, highest interaction with videos. So I wanna know what it is that you see, and then also what are some things that you would like to see in the day in the life or things on my YouTube channel in general. So I appreciate y'all clocking out. So I got some work done today, it's Saturday evening. Got some work done, didn't bring my camera because I just had to do a few things for a client. Added some cars on for one of my clients. She currently has a BMW and she just got a Range Rover, so add that onto her policy. One of my clients needed some ID cards and then closing another deal. It was a great day. I'm just chilling out for the rest of the night and may start editing this video. Debating on, and of course you'll see how long this one is, but the last 2 weeks of content is on my camera. I didn't break up last week. I just got really busy, so I'm deciding, do I wanna have everything on one video, make it like 40 minutes or just do 20 minutes? So we shall see. If you made it this far in the video, put some blue hearts in the comment box below. I appreciate you all. So many great things happening this year for my business, and I'm very excited to bring you all along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. We are still dropping a video every week. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.